Hello, in this video we'll be doing a fingerprint scanner speed test between two different phone models. The one on the left is Honor 50 Lite and one on the right is a SONY Xperia Pro-I. So the Honor 50 has its fingerprint scanner located right here, and when you place it correctly it's right here. I'm gonna place it upside down just to make it easier. The SONY Xperia Pro-I has its fingerprint scanner located right here. So let's get into the testing. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.